Okay, we're ready. Page 131. Okay. I want you to draw 6 objects. That's our first step. We need to draw 6 objects. Anything. It could be stars, it could be hearts, it could be anything you want. I'm gonna share my color. And we have our counters red and yellow. I'm gonna use yellow. Red, I mean. Ready? I'm gonna draw 6 objects. I'm gonna draw my counters. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our first step. Now, we need to draw one more with a different color. I'm gonna use yellow because usually for this we always use counters that are red and yellow. I'm gonna draw one more. Okay. Now, who was there? Beth, can you tell me now how many I have total in there? What's the total amount I have there? I draw 6 and then I draw one more. How many do I have all together?
7.
7? Okay, you think it's 7? I'm gonna write it right here. Okay, now we're gonna make sure we have 7. Okay, I'm gonna count. 1. Yeah, help me count. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 altogether. Good job, Beth. Thank you. Yeah, we have 7. What this is telling me that 6 plus, gonna write it right here, plus how many yellow?
7.
No, how many yellow do I have here?
1.
1. Yep, that's what it's telling me. 6 red, 6 plus 1 makes 7. Okay, now today we're gonna work on number 7. Okay, thanks, Beth. Can you mute your microphone? And we're gonna go to the next page. There you go. Let me clear this up. Okay. This is playing counters as shown. So, how many red counters do I have here? I'm gonna ask Petra. Can you help me count the red counters? Unmute your microphone and help me count, okay? 1, 2,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
There's 5 red counters. Plus, how many yellow counters do I have there, Petra?
2.
Okay, let's make sure. 1, 2. Okay. So how many counters together? All together. 5 plus 2. Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7.
7. 7. We're going to trace our number 7. See? What is this telling me?
And
That this is telling me that 5 plus 2, 5 plus 2 makes, how many, Petra?
7.
7. Yes. Thanks, Petra. Now mute your microphone, please. Okay. Okay, for number 2. This is our number 2. Then 5, if I have 5 counters, 5 plus, which means the same as and how many more makes 7? I'm gonna ask Tomas. Are you there now, Tomas? 5 plus how many more makes 7?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, let's find out. Okay, I'm gonna draw 5 counters. I'm gonna do it red because we're using red and yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm gonna use the yellow ones. So we know that we want to find out how many more to have 7. So I know there's 5 because they're giving me this number, 5 counters. Now let's find out how many more do I need to draw to have 7. 5. And I'm gonna count up because I don't want to go more or up than 7. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm counting up to 7. 5, 6, 7. So Tomas, how many more yellow do I draw to have 7?
Five.
Do I draw 5 yellow counters? How many yellow counters do you see?
2.
2. Now let's count them together just to make sure there's 7 all together. Okay?
Okay.
1, 2,
2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6, 7.
7.
It's 7 the total of my counters?
Yeah.
Okay, then 5 and how many more make 7? How many yellow you said?
2.
2. There you go. So that's 5 plus or and 2 makes 7. That was our question. 5 plus how many more makes 7? Good job. Thank you, Tomas. Okay, now we need to draw in the fine frame to model 7. If I want to model a 7, how many counters do I need to do? And I'm going to use 2 colors. So I need Russell. How many red counters do you want me to draw? You can give me a number less than 7, any number less than 7. Russell, how many counters do you want me to draw? Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds. I'm gonna call someone else, okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay, Richard, give me a number to draw less than 7.
Wow.
Okay, now how many?
Wow.
Give her a number that she can write into those boxes.
Yeah, I need to draw less than 7.
No, less than 7.
Less than 7. Give me a number, any number, less than 7.
Less than 7. Give her a number.
Yes. Is that 7?
But what's a number less than 7 that she can put in the counters?
Maybe.
Or do you want me to draw all 7?
5.
5. I'll do 5. Can you give me a different numbers? We already do 5 twice. I
Can
want
you
a
give her
different
a number? Other than 5?
Okay.
What's another number? What's the number that builds up to 7?
Any number less than 7. We have 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just give me a number.
Give her a number. Can you give her a different number, please?
I found it.
Which one?
This 5.
But what's another number? We've used 5 quite a bit. She wants you to use another one. Something else, something else we can add up to 7. Did you know that there's different combinations? So let's find another combination. So how old are you?
Ow.
How old are you?
5 days.
You're 5. Okay. How old are you going to be?
5 days old.
You're going to be 6 years old. So would that work for what she's looking for?
Is a 6 less than 7, Richard? Is a 6 less than 7?
Words. Answer her. Stop being rude. Is 6 less than 7?
Do you want to skip your turn? We can call someone else, and then I'll give you a turn later. What about that? Are you ready?
You sure? You need to use your words and answer her.
Crackers.
Okay, Richard, I'm gonna call someone else, okay? Okay, Calvin, can you give me a number less than 7? And we're gonna skip 5, okay? Not a 5, because we already used it twice.
2.
2, let's do 2. I like that number. Gonna use red, 1, 2 reds. Okay, then how many more do I need to use, yellow counters, do I need to use to make 7, Calvin? I already used 2 red. How many more in yellow do I need to make 7?
3 more.
3 more? Okay, I'm gonna do 3 more. Remember our strategy? We're counting up, okay? That's 1, 2, because we already have these 2. And I'm gonna draw 3 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have enough for 7? Or do I need to draw more? Calvin.
1 more.
Okay, I'll do 1 more and then we go back and count. I like how we are doing this. We're making sure we have 7 total. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I have enough for 7?
No.
Do I have 7? So how many
No.
more should I need to draw? Should I draw?
More. 1 more.
1 more. Let's do 1 more. And then we'll find out. We need total 7. Let's go back and count. Help me count, Calvin. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Do we have 7 total?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's find out how many reds do I draw. What is this telling me? How many reds do we do, Calvin?
2.
2. That means 2. And I'm going to write the word and. How many yellow? 1.
5.
So that means 2 and 5 equals how many total?
25.
Let's count them. We can always go back and count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many is my total?
7.
7. Yes, 7. Then 2 and 5 makes 7. Thank you, Calvin.
And teacher, I have to tell you something.
Okay, tell
I
me.
have a dog that is very fluffy. And his name is
Okay, then let's share that during sharing time. Let me clear this up and we're going to the next page. Okay, page 133. Ready? I'm gonna need your help for this because we need to use different ways or different numbers to make 7. Okay, first we're gonna model 7. So I'm gonna ask for what do I have there? Sadie, how many reds do you want me to put in here on that 10 frame? Tell me a number less than 7.
7.
I can do 7, yeah. I'll do 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, Sadie, do I need to draw any yellow ones in there? All I need is 7. Do I need to draw any yellow counters?
Yeah.
Are you using your headphones, Sadie?
No.
Sometimes I can hear you better when you use your headphones.
Okay, let me look for them.
Okay, thanks. Can you mute your microphone? Thank you, Mija. Okay, then I'm gonna ask, who else do I have there? Beth. I think Beth, you already shared. Leah, do I have to draw any more yellow ones in there if I want 7 counters?
What?
Do I need to draw any more yellow counters in my 10 frame if I just want 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's count them, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 red counters. Do I need to draw any more for 7?
No.
No, because I already have 7. Yeah, you're right, Leah. Thank you. And I'm going to trace my number. Okay. Okay.
I thought she said best. You were talking to the wrong person. It's me, Leah, but you were talking to the wrong person, not me.
Is that Leah or Beth?
It's Leah.
Leah.
Talking
Okay,
to
Leah,
the
then
wrong-
I'm going to ask you this question, Leah. Ready?
Okay. Yeah.
So we have 7 red counters. I'm going to write it right here. Hopefully you're able to see. Let me erase it. I'm going to do it inside. Okay. We have 7. Oh, sorry. Okay, we have 7 red counters. I'm going to use the word and instead of plus, which means the same. 7 plus how many yellow do you see here? Make 7. 7 plus how many yellow do you see in my red count? Red frame. Sorry, in my 10 frame. How many yellow do you see in this 10 frame?
Yellow?
How many yellow do you see on my 10 frame right here? That we just draw. Do you see any yellow in here?
Those 3 ones.
Only.
I didn't see none.
You didn't see any?
I don't see no yellow.
No yellow. That means we have 0 yellow. So 7 and 0 makes what? 7 plus 0 makes 7.
7.
Yeah, that is a little tricky, but I like to show that because we need to learn about that 0 too. Oh, it's not erasing. It's okay. Okay. This is telling me that 7 and 0 make 7. Now, I'm gonna need your help. Let me see. I don't know if Isaiah, are you there? Now, can you mute your microphone, Leah? I'm gonna call on someone else. I think I already have. Emilio, give me a number less than 7. I'm gonna be on this one right now. Right here. Give me a number less than 7. We're gonna work on the number 7.
Um,
Any number less than 7. Just tell me a number.
6.
6. I can use 6. Okay. 6. Let me erase all of this. There you go. Because we're gonna use this 10 frame to do our work down here. Okay. We have 6 yellow counters. Okay, 6 yellow counters. I'm gonna draw them right here. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more do I need to have 7? I have 6 yellow. How many red do I need to draw?
1.
1. And what is my strategy? I need to go back and count them all together. Yes, making sure the total is 7. Okay, help me count, Emilio. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. 7. We have a total of 7. So that is telling me that 6 plus how many reds?
1.
Makes 6.
7.
There you go. Thank you, Emilio. That is a good way to make 7. Okay, then I'm gonna call on someone else. Tomas, are you there now?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm still here.
Okay, Tomas, give me a number less than 7. Any number less than 7.
5.
Okay, I'm gonna do 5, 5 right here. Now I'm gonna place my counters on the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 yellow counters. How many more red counters do I need to draw to have 7? How many more, Tomas?
4.
You want me to draw 4 more?
Yeah.
Or you want me to use the strategy of counting up as I'm drawing?
I think the number 4.
Okay, I'm gonna draw 4 and then we're gonna go back and count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count them all together. Remember, we only have to get to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do we have 7?
No.
Do I need to raise? How many do you want me to raise?
2.
Let's erase 2. Now I need to use my strategy of going back and count.
1,
1,
2, 3,
3,
4, 5,
6,
6, 7.
7. So how many red do I draw?
2.
2. This is telling me that 5 and 2 makes how many, Tomas?
7.
7. Yeah, with adding. 5 and 2 makes 7. Thank you, Tomas. There you go. Christian, can you give me a number less than 7? Give me a number less than 7. Are you there, Christian?
Number 2.
Number 2. Okay, I'm gonna do 2. Let me change the color and I'll do 2.
Put your counters in there, Tommy.
1, 2. Okay, now how many more red counters do you want me to draw to make 7? How many more do I need to draw?
Use your counters.
1.
Do you want me to use the strategy of counting up until I get to 7? Do you want me to show you that?
2.
Yeah, let's do that, okay? So we're gonna start right here counting and then we're gonna keep drawing until I get to 7. Ready? 1, 2,
1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6,
4,
8,
5, 6, 7.
7.
Okay. Is that an
7.
easiest way to find how many more do I need when we count up?
Yes.
Does that help, Christian?
Uh-huh.
Write them down.
Okay, now let's see. We know there's 2 yellow ones. We write it. Plus how many reds?
Yellow. And these
Plus,
are
plus how many red ones? Christian, how many red do we draw?
7.
7 was my total, but how many reds do I have here?
3.
Let's count them up. Ready?
Uh-huh.
1,
2,
2,
3,
4,
4, 5.
5. 5 red ones.
Uh-huh.
So 2 and 5 makes how many altogether? 2 and 5 makes
7.
7. There you go, Christian. Thanks for your help, Christian. Yep, make 7, 2 and 5. Yes, one more, okay? Now you can mute your microphone. Let me see. Who else do I have there? I'll erase this. Okay, I'm gonna try it another way, okay? So I'm gonna use 4. I'm gonna do this one. Okay. I'm gonna use 4 yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow ones. So, Richard, I'm going back with you. Are you ready? How many more red do I need to draw to make 7? I already have 4. How many more?
We actually are getting ready to take sister to school in the high school.
Okay, then that's fine. Thanks. I'm gonna
Sorry.
call on Petra. Petra, how many more should I draw to have 7, to make 7 total? I have 4. Do you want to use the strategy of counting up?
2 more.
Yeah, we can guess for 2 more. Okay, I'm gonna do 2 more and then we're gonna count up, okay? Ready? One. Help me count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. We need to keep counting until we get to 7, okay? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5,
5, 6,
7.
7. 7. So I have 4 yellow ones. How many reds do I have?
3.
3. Yes. So what is this telling me? That 4 and 3 makes how many?
7.
7. Yeah, 4 and 3 make 7. Okay. Thanks, Petra. Let me clear my trials. We're getting to the homework. Nope, not yet. Okay, we just need to circle the sets of horses that have 7. Okay, so let's count them all first. Let's look at the first set. This is my first set. This is my first set, okay? Let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do I need to circle this one? My instruction was circle the groups with 7. Do I need to circle this one or cross them out? Desmond. Desmond, I know you were there. Do I need to circle this one or cross them out?
Circle it.
Circle it, yeah, because they're telling me to circle my sets of 7. Okay, now this set with the red horses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do I need to circle the red set or cross them out, Desmond?
Press them out.
Yeah, because there's not 7 in there. One more. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Desmond, do I need to circle it or cross them out?
Circle it.
Circle it. Yeah, we're looking for sets of 7. There you go. Thank you, Desmond.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okay, now in number 6, you need to draw a set that has 7 objects. Okay? Now I'm gonna leave that to yourself because you can choose to do any kind of set. You can do counters, or you can do stars, or you can do hearts. Yes, a set that shows the number 7, okay? So I'm gonna erase this one. So I'm gonna give you like 30 seconds to show me the number 7. Gonna count to 30 and then we'll go to the next page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, we're passing to the next page. Okay, and this is gonna be your homework. This is the homework that you need to return on the 5. You have 2 weeks to finish this. So this is your homework. And this you're gonna show 2 colors and 2 numbers to show number 7. This one too has a different direction. So you're gonna be tracing the number, showing the number 7, count until how many are there in each of the sets, and count until how many in the number 3 too. Okay, so this is your homework, page 135 and 136. Okay, can you change your page to 137? Okay, let's go to page 137. Okay, page 137. This is 3.4. We're gonna count and write to number 7. Count until how many cubes. Okay, let's count them and then we're gonna trace it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And all you need to do is trace your number 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, and 7. Now we're gonna count the hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is also set 7, but in words. It's the word that says 7. This is fast and easy. 7. Okay, and let's go to next page. Clear this. Now, look at the picture. You need to circle all the sets of 7 objects. Who else do I have there that I haven't called? Davis. Davis. We see a carousel right here. How many horses are there? Can you hear me, Davis? Okay, let's count them up. I don't see Davis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 horses on the carousel. Sadie, do I need to circle it or not? We need to circle all the sets of 7 objects. Sadie.
Yes. You need to circle.
Yes, thank you, Sadie. Yep, we need to circle that set. So I'm gonna give you 20 seconds so you can work on the other ones. Circle the sets. This is one set. These are a set of flags. This is a set of trees. This is another set. Okay. You count by yourselves and circle the sets that had 7. Okay. I'm gonna give you 20 seconds. I know you can do this one. I'm just counting. I'm not gonna circle it. I want you to do it. Okay, now I'm gonna go to my next page. Page 139. Ready? Number 2, we just need to say the number as we trace the number. So, like in here, while you're tracing it, you need to say the name. 7. 7. 7. 7. 7. Now you know how to draw the 7. So now we need to just count the objects and write the number. Let's count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm gonna draw my number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now do my number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 hats right here. Okay. This is all you have to do with this page. Okay, now for homework, you're gonna have page 140. Let me see. Yeah, you can do this page 140, 140, 141, and 142. Okay. Okay, let's do this one together, okay? Number 1, we need to model how to show number 7. Number 7. So I need to draw some counters. Remember what we're doing during this chapter, we chose 2 colors to make 7. I'm gonna draw red ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. And then I'm gonna use yellow to show 7. 5. And I'm using my strategy of counting up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm gonna write my number. Because 5 and 2 makes 7. Now number 2, we just need to count and say the number while we drawing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I just need to say 7 as we count. Okay, now you need to circle all the set that have 7 whistles. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and I need to circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, it's a set of 7, so I need to circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, they're asking me to circle the 7s. This is not 7, this is 6. Okay, so we're gonna stop right here, and your homework will be the next page, page 141, 141, and page 142. I'm gonna clear my drawing. And